Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we are checking out the light up spiral shot. We have them in 4 different colors. We have them in orange, blue, black, and green. They're actually 2 colors, so it's orange and blue, blue, orange, black and red, green and purple. We're going to open these up one at a time so you guys can check them out. So this one, I'll just show you one up close. This is the orange one in the package. And there's the back side of it. Let me just read this. It says flash action, tap to light. On the back, swishy and bouncy, flashing light action available in 4 colors. Alright, yeah, so these are the 4 colors that we have. Alright, so let me take one out here. Alright, so here is the orange and blue one. Show you guys the whole thing. So it's like a little tiny like football shape. It says to tap to light, but you know what? I actually don't know if... Okay, so I thought maybe the batteries were dead, but it turns out I threw it and it hit the tip that has the light, I guess the sensor thing on it, so I had to really hit it, and there we go. So this is it flashing and stuff. There we go. So that's the orange and blue. I'm going to open up the other ones. Here, I'll leave this over here. Hopefully, these are all working. Alright, so here it is in blue. Hopefully, I'm trying to get it to focus here. There we go. Alright, and then... boy, there we go. It is flashing, it's just hard to see. I'll turn the lights off at the end so you guys can see them all flashing in the dark. Alright, let's open this next one up. Here it is in black and red. There it is. Hard to see, but like I said, I'll turn the lights off. Green and purple. This one looks kind of cool, actually. Alright, let me get these lights off, and I'll show you guys each of these flashing. Alright, lights are off now. This is the orange and blue one. There we go. Yeah, when the lights are out, that looks pretty cool. Alright, blue and orange now. Black and red. And the green and purple. Alrighty, alright guys, that was the light up spiral shot. They're basically little like light up footballs. They got a cool design on them with like this outer layer and this inner layer here. Yeah, if you guys like this video, be sure to check out our channel, check out our other videos. And I'll see you guys next time.